To start learning programming from scratch and reach proficiency, follow these organized steps. 1. Understand the basics of programming. Familiarize yourself with the following fundamental concepts: variables, loops, conditions, functions. Begin with easy languages, Python, as it is easy to read and learn. 2. Choose a programming language that suits your goal, Python, for artificial intelligence and application development, JavaScript, for web development, Flutter, Dart for mobile application development, Android and iOS, C++ or Java, to learn the fundamentals of programming or work on robust applications. 3. Learn using free resources, educational platforms, Free Code Camp, learn programming from the ground up. Solo Learn, a simple app for learning programming. Code Academy, interactive lessons. YouTube, look for channels that explain programming for beginners, such as Dr. Mohammed Al-Ghabouchi's channel. 4. Practice programming daily. Start with simple projects, a calculator application, a task management program, exercise websites, HackerRank, Code Wars. 5. Build real projects. Start with small projects, a personal website, a mobile application. Utilize GitHub. Use it to publish your projects and share code with others. 6. Learn advanced skills, data structures and algorithms, very important for understanding how to solve problems efficiently. Resources, grokking algorithms, book or courses on Coursera. Frameworks, such as Django, Python, or React, JavaScript. 7. Join the programming community. Participate in forums like Reddit or Stack Overflow. Join local Telegram or WhatsApp groups. 8. Look for practical opportunities, internships or freelance projects. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer. Work on real applications or websites. 9. Never stop learning. Programming is a changing field. Keep up with new technologies. Take advanced courses when necessary. Additional tips: set a fixed time daily for learning programming. Don't fear mistakes, they are an essential part of learning. Try to solve problems on your own before searching for solutions. Start now, and each day you will step closer to proficiency.